Hello photographers, it's BryCox, B-R-Y-C-O-X, BryCoxWORKSHOPS.com. I'm going to be teaching a multi-day workshop at Texas School. I want to talk to you really quickly about driving, right? And the whole idea, have you ever been driving and maybe you're talking to somebody, or maybe you listen to a podcast or something, or maybe you're just thinking about something, and the next thing you know, you've been driving like a half hour and you don't remember how you got from A to B. You're like, I don't remember any turns, I don't remember any corners, I don't remember getting on the freeway, off the freeway. You're just like, how did I get here? Because you were so deep in thought and focused on something else, and the driving was all just perfunctorily happening, and you just got from here to there. You don't even know how, right? I feel like that's how photography should be. Photography is about people. It's about focusing on people, understanding people, reading people. This is what I call the social dynamics of photography that people don't get, is getting emotion out of people, getting them to relax, getting them to get their wall down, their fake smile that they're so used to giving, getting kids to relax, to open up. You know, parents are always like, oh, my kid's shy. And I'm like, don't say that. Don't say that. They're not going to be shy in my picture. They're going to be fantastic. They're going to sit where they're supposed to, and they're going to smile when they're supposed to. They're going to laugh. They're going to do all the things right because of all of these things I'm going to talk about, which what I call social dynamics, is reading people, understanding people, and getting the expressions and things that you want out of people. But that means all of the techie stuff, the gear, the settings, all the camera stuff needs to be in the back of our head, so it's almost like driving without thinking about it, right? It's like, oh yeah, I got here and everything's nailed. My color's nailed, my lighting, amazing, right? Multiple lights, multiple setups, just switching things. You're just dialing things, you're just fixing things, right? It all looks good. It all looks good because all of that is super proficient. So how does it get proficient? That's what we're going to talk about at Texas School for an entire multi-day workshop, diving deep into all of these things, finding your weaknesses, and then turning those into strengths. And we can't do all of that, make them immediately strengths by the end of the week, but what we can do is give you my systems with specific steps, finding your weaknesses, stepping through them, getting better, and then at the end, you now have a game plan, and it's going to be different for everybody. Everybody has different weaknesses and strengths. And that's what I like about these small group, in-depth settings, is that we get to know each other, we bond, and at the end of the week, you all have a plan and know exactly what to do moving forward. All right, you guys, that's what we're going to be talking about. Texas School. I'm sure you've got the links, but I'll link them below just in case. And again, my name is BryCox, B-R-Y-C-O-X, BryCox Workshops. All right, you guys, until next time, America.